Hello guys and welcome to another clay tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make this electro-Giant from Clash Royale with clay. Let's go!
As you can see, I already made his skeleton and I used a lot of aluminium foil to not use that much clay on his body. And now I'm making his feet with pale pink. Now I'm adding his toes. Now I'm attaching the toes to the foot with a tool. Now I'm making a nail on each toe with a sharp tool. For the legs, I'm just placing a piece of clay on the wire. And it should look like this. And of course the same on the other side too. For this creation I will need a lot of pale pink. And I just place the clay on the aluminium foil. And again pale pink. As you can see, I moved the wire a bit before so I can place the clay easier. We'll do the same as before. And after this step, I can already put him into the oven. After the oven hardening, I decided to make him a different pose, but there was a problem. With this pose, he will fall down. That's why I made a base with black clay to fix this problem. And I also had to put the base in the oven. As you can see, I put some wires in the base so the giant couldn't fall out that easily. And also I glued the feet. And then I just attached the giant to the base. And now the giant doesn't fall back. Now I'm creating the shorts with Windsor blue clay. And the same on the other side too. Now for his belt I will use chocolate brown clay. For the belt I have to roll out the clay a bit. And then I can easily add it to the body. And I'm cutting down the clay I don't need anymore. Now I'm making the nut for the belt with silver clay. And I place it on the belt. Now I can already start making his arms and I will need a lot of pale pink clay again. I'm placing the clay on the wire. And the same on the other side too. As you can see here, I'm attaching the arms to the body so they don't break off after the hardening or something. I think these are also belts for the gigantic battery he has at the back that I will create later. And here are just some details. Now I can start making his chest plate with Windsor blue clay. And I just place it at the top of his body. I don't know what these things are, but we need 10 of them. Now I'm making his gigantic backpack battery. The battery is blue and golden, but I didn't have any gold clay, so I used this coconut clay. So if you have golden clay, make sure to use it instead of this coconut clay I'm using right now. Also, I have no idea what this is, but okay. I'm cutting it in the same shape like I did on the nut for the bolt. Now I'm placing black clay inside of the thing, and red clay and white clay, but just a little bit. I made a tiny hole so I could attach it to the battery after the oven hardening, and on the top too. And at the top of the battery we need two things with the same shape as the nuts for the bolt, and we just place it at the top of the battery. And again we make some holes because there we will place two wires. The wires will be covered with blue clay. I made two balls with aluminum foil, and now mix a lighter blue with winter blue and light blue, and I will place the balls on the wire. Now I will place a tiny piece of blue clay on both balls. And here we need a hole too. After this I can already attach it to the battery. Now we'll need a thin metallic wire to create like an electricity effect on the battery. And then I can attach the wire to the holes I made into the balls, like this. And here's some more details on the battery. I will remove this piece of clay and replace it after the oven hardening. Now I can put all the things in the oven. Meanwhile I can create his gloves with chocolate brown. And I'm trying to get a better shape on the fingers. And again the same details as I did on the shorts, but with chocolate brown. And then I can place the glove on the wire. After the hardening I tried to attach the battery to the body, and it was kinda difficult because it always fell off, so I tried it with glue and clay and wire, and it worked. Now I'm making the face, and I placed a bit of pale pink clay on the ball of aluminum foil. And now I'm trying to get space for the mouth. His nose has a different color, so I mixed pale pink with a tiny piece of red clay for the nose. Just like this. And this is how I made the nostrils. For the cheeks I placed some clay on the face. Also I put black clay in the mouth. And of course we'll need white clay for the teeth. I found a bit of golden clay for the glasses, and I'm just placing it in the middle of his face. And the ears are done too. And here I will need chocolate brown again. And I'm cutting down the clay, I don't need any more. Now I will need a bit of light blue for the glasses. And white clay too, and then I can put a head in the oven. After the oven hardening I can make the beard with orange clay. You will need like 6 of these orange spikes and the eyebrows too. And then I can attach the head to the body. Now I can put the entire giant for the last time in the oven. Okay, now I remove the battery again and I will color the cognac clay with acrylic color. And it looks very cool. Okay, now I'm adding all the parts I didn't add before to the battery. And again, I'm trying to attach the battery to the body, this time with clay, as you can see. Now I will color the wire a bit with white acrylic color to create a cooler electricity effect. And this is probably the coolest part, adding the gloss varnish. On the glasses too. And after adding gloss varnish to the mouth too, I can proudly present electro-Giant from Clash Royale made with clay.
I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down in the comments and tell me if you want to see more characters from Clash Royale. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to not miss any further videos. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.